Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are diving into fall and making these super fun and easy gift bag tags. Now I lead a Girl Scout troop and we are meeting before the holiday, and I wanted to gift them with a little something that reminded them that I am thankful for them. So my daughter and I are going to be filling these up with some goodies later today. But in the meantime, go ahead and grab some cardstock, scissors, some twine or string, of course your Cricut, and maybe even a fall drink from Starbucks. And let's get going.
Hi, I am Sue Ann, Jesus enthusiast, wife, mother, and maker of things. Follow along with me in making crafts, apparel, jewelry, and so much more, all while sharing daily life experiences. And being a mother of 5, I promise I have plenty of those. So put on your confidence cap and let's get to making.
Materials we're using today will be our Cricut machine. I am using my Cricut Maker 3, a light grip mat, cardstock in 2 different colors. I'm using the white to print my pumpkin on, and then gold for my background pumpkin, a gift bag, something to attach the tag with, some scissors, and let's not forget our confidence. All right, so I just started out with a blank canvas and went to the left-hand side and clicked on images. Afterwards, I typed in fall bag gift tag. Well, I attempted to. Maybe you got it on the first try. Good for you. I scrolled down a little bit and found this really cute pumpkin-shaped gift tag. And then I typed in thankful for you in the search bar up top and chose this really cute design by Design Owl. I added both of those to my canvas, and now we're gonna go ahead and resize them. Okay, so now we have both of our designs on our canvas. I'm gonna go ahead and toggle off the thankful for you and resize the pumpkin. I'm gonna make it 2 inches wide. And then afterwards, I will toggle back on the thankful for you, change it to black so I can see it a little bit better, and then I'm gonna resize it to fit inside of the pumpkin. Now that I have the thankful for you sized where I want it, we are going to move that aside and we're gonna use the offset function in Design Space. So you'll go to the top and click offset. This is going to create another layer of your design, either bigger or smaller to your current design, but it's gonna keep the proportions the same. Now the offset layer that we created won't have a gift tag hole, so we are gonna go ahead and create that ourselves. So you'll just go over to the left-hand side, click shapes and circle, size it down and place it on top. So then we're gonna select both the offset layer and the circle that we created, go to the right-hand side, click combine, and then subtract. Now you have removed that small hole from the offset pumpkin. Okay, so now we're going to get our thankful for you on top of the pumpkin, select both layers, go up to the top, click align, center vertically so that it's center on your pumpkin. Select both layers again and go to flatten. This is going to allow it to be printed, then cut. Okay, so if you are just needing the one gift tag, you are ready to click make it. However, I am making these for my Girl Scout troop, so I need to duplicate each one of these 8 times. Now that I have enough for all of my Girl Scouts, I'm gonna click make it in the top right-hand corner. Up will pop our pumpkin sheet that needs to be printed. Click continue and then send to printer. You wanna leave on your add bleed to make sure that you don't get any white on the outside of your pumpkin while the Cricut is cutting your design. I'm gonna also use system dialog and send it to my actual printer so that I can choose my printer settings. After your printer is done, you'll go ahead and place the sheet on your blue mat and get it loaded into the Cricut. Now I'm going to pull back up the Cricut app and set my base material. Today I am using a lightweight cardstock, and I'll click go on the machine. Now that our pumpkins are done, I'm gonna remove them from the mat. As you can see here, this is why we choose the bleed option when we are printing something that the Cricut is going to be cutting out. Now, a good tip whenever you're removing things from your mats, especially paper, let the mat do the work. Those mats are so flexible that you just want to bend it and it will automatically start peeling them off for you. If you start pulling at it, that's going to cause a bend in your design, and we really don't want that. It's now time to cut our offset pumpkin. I am using this really cool gold cardstock, so I'm gonna be sure to set my base material to medium cardstock because it's a little bit thicker. And then once I have it loaded into the machine, I'll press go. All of the supplies have been printed and cut by our wonderful Cricut. It is time to assemble them. I am using burlap twine, but you can use string, you can use ribbon. You just feed it on through the holes and then wrap it around the handle of your gift bag. And I'll tell you, whoever receives this is truly gonna know that you are thankful for them, that you put in the time to make this super cute gift tag. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial today. Be sure to save your design. This is definitely a tag that you'll be able to make and use for so many different fall functions. I really appreciate you joining me today. Be sure to click the like and subscribe button to follow up for more DIY projects. And until next time, be confident in who you are and all that you do. Bye.